Good afternoon. Today we are covering a Chevrolet Deluxe 1952 four door. This is the two-tone color, maroon and off-white, with the beautiful interior. You can check the chrome work over there, their line and wheel cap also. Classy elegance in the curves. You can see the interior. This is the two-tone interior, off-white and maroon. Step back into the 50s, pure vintage vibes. It's a start button, it's a horn, and it's a wiper. This is for headlights, and here are indicator, gear shifter, and this is the old watch, ashtray, cigarette lighter, glove box, and it's a ignition key, and it's a old handbrake, bonnet lever. ये स्पीडोमीटर है, ये टेम्परेचर है, ये फ्यूल इंडिकेटर, ये बैटरी टेम्परेचर, ये बैटरी गेज, ये ऑयल टेम्परेचर, फ्यूल पंप, ये फ्यूल पंप होता था। फिर उसके बाद में ये ही मैनुअली रेस, क्लच, ब्रेक, और ये लाइट होती थी जैसे आज नॉर्मली गाड़ी में आज दिखती है, बट इतना ब्यूटीफुल शेप में नहीं होता है। ये ऑन ऑफ स्विच है इसका, जब डोर ओपन है तो इसके लिए कंटिन्यूसली ऑन है। एंड दिस इज द ग्लास लीवर, डोर लीवर, ये क्वार्टर ग्लास। दैट्स इट। So now you enjoy the cinematic clips. Then we cover our engine and dicky. So now we are covering a engine and dicky. So this is the lever. When we pull, it's open. This is the inline 6 engine. This is the air filter made in USA. Carburetor. ये एयर वेंटिलेशन होते होल होते, इसके अंदर एयर पास होती है. It's an inline six engine. It may not be the fastest by today's standards, but back in the 50s, this engine was known for the reliability and smooth performance and effortless cruising. With the huge size of dicky, this is the all matte. So now we are going to the next. This is the petrol point. You can pull it over there and open it. And ये indicator है with the original Lucas headlight glass and headlight, Chevrolet badging. And this is the sun visor. ये मोस्टली 50, 52, 55 सीरीज की गाड़ियों में आता था सन वाइजर्स. एंड इसको व्हील्स कट बोला जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हील्स कट. And that's it. So now it's time to turn off the camera. Here done our video 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर you really like my content, vintage and classic car, so keep following me, subscribe me, and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.